For my universal principle of learner-centered instruction, I decided to explore attainment-based instruction. Truly learner-centered instruction is structured so that learner progress is based on learning rather than on time. Bloom, 1968. Carroll, 1963. Regaluth and Carnot, 2013. Commonly referred to as competency-based instruction, learner assessment must be criterion referenced rather than norm referenced. Learner records must be lists or maps of attainments rather than courses with grades. Full mastery of current topic must be achieved before moving to the next topic. Learners move at their own pace. This improves efficiency. For example, fast learners won't have to wait for the rest of the class before they can move on, and slower learners are not forced to move on before they have mastered the material. Attainment-based instruction entails three components. 1. Attainment-based learner progress. 2. Assessment. 3. Learner records. Attainment-based learner progress. Each learner's progress should be based on reaching the learning goals, which are covered early on. Standards and criteria for mastery rather than based on time. It helps learners to effectively construct their new knowledge based on pre-existing or pre-required knowledge and facilitates deep understanding of the subject matter. Attainment-based learner assessment. The purposes of assessment in attainment-based instruction are to check learners' understanding, identify learning deficiencies, and make sure learners reach a high enough level of mastery on the topic before moving on. Criterion reference assessment is the most appropriate in this case versus norm reference. Attainment-based learner records. Each learner's records should be a list or a map of individual attainments rather than a traditional report card with names of courses and a letter or number grades. Traditional report cards do not inform about the learner's learning needs. A domain map of individual attainments helps teachers track learner progress towards their learning goals, identify learning needs, and select appropriate instructional materials. Miliband, 2006, Sturgis and Patrick, 2010.